everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to play your DVDs or Blu-rays on your Xbox Series X. So the first thing you want to do is actually insert your disc the correct way. So I have a disc in here, I'm going to pop it out. And you got to make sure you put it in the right way, otherwise if you put it in the wrong way, it's not going to simply load anything on your screen. So here's my Xbox, I'll go ahead and zoom in on it. But this is the way you want to put in your disc. So the shiny side should be away from you, and the side with the graphics on it should be facing towards you. So I don't know if there's a little, it looks like I actually dropped it. I thought there was an indication on the console indicating what way to put the disc in. So put it in like this. So this is a Blu-ray. Let's try a DVD. So I have Ninja Turtles right here. Can't really tell which way this goes. It says standard or something on there. I'm just going to put it in and see what pops up. Then put my Blu-ray away. So when you have it on your Xbox, you do need to download something. It should prompt it. So you may have ran into an issue because you don't have internet or something like that. You do have to be connected to the internet to download the actual player for this. Otherwise it won't work. So I'm just going to stop this. So you can see it's opening up and there's a big warning on there. But you need to get this application right here called Blu-ray Player. Now if you don't get a prompt when you put in your disc, you need to go to the store right here. And then you need to go to search, and you probably have to type in Blu-ray right here and get this application, Blu-ray Player. If you do not have this on your Xbox, you won't be able to watch any of your movies. So it says Blu-ray Player. This will allow you to play DVDs as well. And you can launch this application then, and that's where I was before. So I'm going to go to the home screen so I don't get copyrighted, but just put in your disc the right way, get the Blu-ray player, make sure you're connected to the internet. Once you are connected and you have this download, then you shouldn't need to be connected anymore. But that is how you can play your DVDs and Blu-rays on your Xbox Series X. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.